Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Pittman. Hope you've had a great day today. I just want to read you a book tonight. It's called Waiting is Not Easy. It's by Mo Willems. And it is an elephant and piggy book. So there are more books about Elephant and Piggy in the series, written by Mo Willems. He's the same author of the Pigeon books. So, here we go. Waiting is Not Easy by Mo Willems. Now remember, Miss Pittman's new at this, so bear with me. I'm by no means got this down. I'm trying. Gerald! I have a surprise for you. Yay, what is it? The surprise is a surprise. Oh. Is it big? Yes, says Piggy. Is it pretty? Yes, says Piggy. Can we share it? Yes, says Piggy. I cannot wait! You will have to. Wait, what? Why? The surprise is not here yet. So I will have to wait for it? Yes, says Piggy. Elephant is groaning. He can't wait. Oh, well. If I have to wait, I will wait. I am waiting. Waiting is not easy. Piggy, I want to see your surprise now. I am sorry, Gerald, but we must wait. Elephant is even making a bigger groan this time. Piggy goes, oof. I am done waiting. I do not think your surprise is worth all this waiting. I will not wait anymore. You can see Piggy. What does she kind of look like? Just by her body. She doesn't have to say anything, but you can tell how she feels. Okay. It's really small. Okay, I will wait some more. It will be worth it. Elephant is really getting impatient. Piggy says, eek! Anybody ever feel like that? Mm-hmm. Cash does too. We've read this book a lot, haven't we, bud? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Piggy! We have waited too long! Can get it apart. It is getting dark. It is getting darker. By the looks of that, what can you infer about Elephant? Look at his body, look at his eyes. He says, it's getting dark. It's getting darker. He seems to be a little worried. Soon we will not be able to see each other. Soon we will not be able to see anything. We have wasted the whole day. We have waited and waited and waited and waited and waited. Elephant's really frustrated. And for what? For that. She's pointing to the sky. Wow. Very cool. This, Elephant says, this was worth the wait. Piggy says, I know. Tomorrow morning, I want to show you the sunrise. I cannot wait, says Piggy. These are all the books that are listed so far by Mo Willems. And then you can see there's a little guest over here. He usually makes an appearance. That silly pigeon. What does the pigeon say, Cash? Wow. Wow. Look at those stars in the sky. So if you get a chance, maybe check out some stars in the sky. You never know. And also, try to work on being patient. It's hard. Never gets easy. But it's something we all have to do. So, waiting is definitely not easy. But you're not alone. We all get it. Thanks for listening. We're signing out from Cash's Corner. Bye, boys and girls.